We know what that means. No, I'm joking. I was gonna say new issues, that's bad. Let's see if anything good comes, you little... Oh. It's going to be loud. All the kids are now on holiday here in South Africa. So it's going to be very interesting. Hey DK, what's up? Untaint, how you doing? How's it going? Let me put these bad boys on. Are we all ready? Steady? Okay, moving on. Sorry, I don't know what happened there. It was doing weird, wonderful things. Sorry, give me a second. There's like a list of things I have to go through. It's kind of like when you take a trade. There's a list of things you have to do before you are ready to take your trade. And that's basically what I'm doing. Hey, Bob! Isn't it super duper, well, late for you? Why are you awake? Are you good? Sorry, I only saw your message now. Is everything good, Bob? Okay. Done. Nope, not done yet. More things I gotta do. But anyways. Are we already... Is anyone going on holiday, if you will, for trading? Is everyone gonna continue trading throughout December? Hey, Sally, what's up? I know some guy said he's probably done until next year. Anyone else? Bob, it hit your level and came right back. Just by the way. Did not take those out, did not take those out. Okay. Got a lot of things to mark out. Let's do this. Gotta mark our Bob levels. Can't mess up our Bob levels. As long as volatility is there, I'll keep trading. Okay, cool, Solly. Really? Until where? What? That's definitely some graph. I mean, you got me there. Only true trader, how you doing? Oh, scalper, hi. Okay. Now, I think we're getting there. Am I buying heaps of gold? No. Do we have free will or is everything predetermined? Well, that was a bit dark to bring up so early. Trader Dell, what's up? The market is going to crash in 2026. Rural sheepdog? How's it going? What makes you say that? What makes you say it's gonna crash in 2026? Manifesting life? Hey, how you doing? No? No, bye. Okay, bye. What? Why? Why are we doing this? Seriously? Oh my gosh, what's happening? There's a lot happening. Oh, thanks, Jonathan. You're so sweet. Excessive leakage. Hi. Why? What's happening, David? Why do you say that? That's not good. I traded Asia this morning while I was at work. Didn't do much plumbing. I kept checking on my trades. I mean, Solly, were they whoop whoop trades? I feel like that's the important question. I feel like that's the real question, and it's the only thing that matters. Were they whoop whoop trades? Okay. Now, I think I'm done with everything. Thank heavens. Good luck to all those trading today. Only true trader, you're not trading? No, wait, you don't really trade Mondays, hey? Okay. Let's see. I mean, new weekly opening gap is there. It's kind of in Bob's level. Awesome, awesome. Means this here is Asia low now. Sorry, just marking out all my levels. Don't mind me. I'm just gonna be talking to myself like a natural weirdo, as I am, I guess. Hello. Definitely taking out Asia high now. Well, actually, I lie. This here on Bob's level is indeed Asia high. Just do that. Okay. NWOG is there. Okay. This was Friday's New York high. Shoot. I see comments popping through. I will have to focus now. Give me a minute. I'm trying to be good. Believe it or not. I'm trying to keep the focus. Trying to keep all the focus going. Dun dun dun, and we've gradually been climbing. And then we filled the gap. Awesome. Okay. Done. I can go back to kind of focusing. I'm gonna check the higher time frames now. Let's get some confirmation of what we believe is gonna happen. Yeah, how's everyone's bias looking for today? No, stop it. David, I mean, that's a bad way of looking at things, David. Sorry, I'm catching up on all the messages I've officially missed. Mula, what's up? How's it going? Investing goals. Investing gold. Price of gold is going to skyrocket. Yeah, easy money this morning. Age was just slowly grinding up. So Solly, you entered into a buy. Are you still in a trade or are you out now? Are you done? No news Monday in December. Just tape reading, won't take any trades. Hey, explore the web, how's it going? Nanomix, hi, how are you? How's it been going? Happy Monday indeed, Project Freedom. Is there going to be any form of volatility today, or are we all just kind of hoping and dreaming? Here's the 3 AM open. I will mark out this level now. Rip's not here yet to start yelling at me, so that's interesting. Normally he's on the ball. Rip, you here? Rip? No? No, Rip? No, okay. Might as well stream for like 8 minutes. David? No. It's Monday, then we put up a weekend waiting for Maya to come back, Solly. You funny, hey? You funny, guys. I think we're aiming for daily fair value gap. Bibo? Interesting, okay. Is breaking and holding your key levels, or holding above your key levels. Hey Iron! How you doing? Welcome back. Welcome back to the stream. Are you ready for the week? I think you've been playing this game for a few days. Well, you say a few days. Well, I guess. Have I had any luck day trading, Luke? Yeah, I have. Well, okay, let's not... Wait. I'm not profitable yet, if that's what you are asking. I'm slowly getting there. I'm gonna still say break even. I'm not gonna say I'm there yet. But I only started trading in April, so I'm still quite new at this. So to be break even, I think, is actually not bad for this quick in the game. I don't actually like calling it a game. But I'm break even, and it's getting there slowly but surely. It's a lot of mental work. Awesome, Iron. Anyways, Viva, I personally didn't think it would get there, but if it does, you know. Running for all-time high. My dog's about to go and bite a kid. He just hasn't realized it yet. I heard someone opening the gate now to come and probably swim because it's hot. So if there's chaos and screaming and I have to run quickly, I'm sorry. Oh, really, Untamed? Well, then maybe Untamed, maybe you just have to stay here, okay? I think you need to then just stay here. And you are my good luck. Where is my dog? Oh, thanks, Luke. Learn to code. My shorting. I should probably get to focusing on that here. I should probably get to focusing on that. Good question. What are we looking at today? I see Asia's just been steadily climbing, so... There we go. Okay. We're good. No killing anyone. We're good. Nyan, did I backtest something with trading before? Live trading? Yes. Nyan, I did. Not enough though, but I did. Learn to call her. It's a game. So Luke, what do you do then? So I'm assuming not a day trader. I'm assuming, are you more investor or swing trader? What's your thing? Mula, you're also thinking shorts. Okay. Let's see. Where's opening? Let me mark out. Here is open. Okay. Here's 3 AM open. Starting to go below. Taking out that low. Wonder if it's going level to level again. I'm gonna wait and see. Right now this is not giving me any form of a decent setup for my strategy, unfortunately. So nothing for me right now. Here looks like I could have maybe had a setup, maybe being the keyword. Everything right now is a little bit too slow. Maybe this is just December price action time. Again, obviously I've never traded December, so I'm not quite sure what to thoroughly expect from December time. I'm short 1 week order block, opening price TP. Okay, okay, Muller. Have I thought if I trade less, only choice setup, you will be profitable? Nayan, that's exactly what happened. So my strategy was a 40% win rate until I want to say I buckled down, but no. From the help of this amazing community, I then had a set of rules, and there's a certain criteria that I look for when I open up a trade. And essentially, because I'm taking less trades and I'm a little bit more fussy with my trades, so only A+ setups, I now have a 64% win rate now. Yeah, so it went from 40 to a 64% win rate purely for that reason of I'm being more fussy with my trades. Only A+ allowed. That's why looking at this, I said, okay, there's nothing that meets my criteria for an entry here right now, or even a setup. So I have to sit and wait for that. Waiting is where the most money is made. Iron, that's exactly right. That is exactly. It's just, I think it's also the most difficult part. That sitting and waiting is really hard. True bad spot, yeah. Oh, we need to zoom out. Sorry, learn to code. I'm gonna zoom out for you now. GMBT, am I funded? No, not yet. Sorry, like I said, I'm here to very much be open and honest about what day trading is like, especially for a new trader. So I'm here to be very open and honest. I haven't passed an eval. I'm getting there though. I used to blow evals all the time. I have now not blown this eval account, I think, for the past 2 months, which is huge for me. It's huge for me. That's why I said, obviously I haven't passed it, but I'm no longer blowing it. So we're getting there. That's why I say I'm a bit of a break-even trader right now, which is fine. I can deal with being a break-even trader. Ooh, Stanley, what is my one advice that every beginner trader needs to hear and stick that is in your head forever? The only thing that pops into my head, because I'm still a beginner myself, so there's a lot of things that I still need to learn and figure out, but essentially it's have your rules and stick to your rules, even if you have to have like sticky notes that you stick everywhere. Give yourself a set of rules and stick to them no matter what, so that if it is a loss, you can't turn around and be like, yeah, it's because I was dumb. It is what it is. Losing sometimes is part of it, as long as you have higher win rates or higher Rs, depending on your strategy. But as long as you stuck to your rules and the entry met your criteria and it was then a good setup, regardless of what happens after that, I think you can then be proud of it. Oh, learn to code. Oh, you're saying just a suggestion. So I do, well, there's an imbalance if I did ever see one. Sorry. A little bit of ADHD. Anyways. But, so I zoom out, I check the 5, the 15, the 1 hour, and the, whatchamacallit? The 4 hour. I do check them out and have a look-see. And daily sometimes, not always. I'm not great at checking the daily, I'm not gonna lie, but I do jump between the 5 minute, 15 minute, 1 hour, and 4 hour and get some higher confirmations. Those who fail at trading simply cannot afford the cost of waiting. I kind of like that, Iron. Part of me wants to steal it. I think actually that is, I want to say poetry, but you know, the stats for traders that are successful is stupid low. Isn't it something like 95% people fail at trading? Sorry. Sorry, this is now looking better. This is looking promising. How big is this? Sorry, I'm gonna just be quick because I've had it sometimes where I may or may not get distracted. 3, shoot, and then I'm too late, like I'm about to be now. My gosh, it's okay, it's okay, it's okay. And maybe this was a mistake, but it had 2, no, 3. 1, 2, 3. And maybe it was a mistake. But it had 3 of my confluences, and I'm trying really hard to be better at taking them regardless of what happens. And it was itty bitty range. Okay. No, wait, I mustn't delete that. I need to mark that. Watch it go down now. That'll be a little bit rude. Nope, come back. Let's see what happens. If this comes back down. Well, part of me is going to be grumpy, but another part of me is then going to have a re-look at entry when it's a little bit choppy like this, because then I can start looking for my 4R trades. I've been back testing that 4R strategy. Damn, this was a 4R entry. Shoot. I thought it was going to rebound off of that. It's fine. Anyways, moving on. Ryan, oh, I've missed a lot. I'm so sorry. What's up? Hi. Yes, 90% fail for the one reason. Take a loss following the rules because it builds your confidence in your psychology and trading plan. There we go. I inside trading on to give me 100k for it though. No. That's pretty illegal though. Moving on. Anyways. Was a stock cryptocurrencies. Oh, I'm trading the Nasdaq futures. What's up, Dylan? How's it going? If you take a win by breaking your rules, you poison your mind and the market will make you pay it back for that. DXY NQ down. GMBT? Do I journal my trades? I try to. Oh, okay, maybe it wasn't. Let's see. Matt, I literally just took a trade, but anyways. Hey Steven, what's up? Welcome, welcome. How was your weekend? Actually, how was everyone's weekend? For those of you that didn't trade this weekend, was it good? Bad? Maybe? 1, 2, 3. It was an A+ setup. The only problem was the choppiness. 4R strategy when it's choppy might be the way to go. Whoop. Hey Laura, how's it going? Going good. You make good money while trading. So Dylan, I'm still new. Sorry. Sorry for anyone that has already listened. Hey, hi live. How you doing, High Life? So I'm still new. I've been trading since April. So still a lot that I gotta learn. So I'm not profitable or successful yet, but one day soon. That is the goal. Hey, hostess, what's up? Always a great weekend with the little ones. Nice. Oh, see, mine was good. Mine was chilled, which I think is sometimes necessary. Oh no, what? Oh no. High Life? That does not sound good. I'm sorry. Coffee time and watching slow P. Yeah, only true trader. I had a goodie. It took me out and now it looks like it's gonna go down. So maybe this was a really good for our strategy, which sucks right now. You know what, I forgot to check. There, let me check something. That would have hit, cool. No. It just is what it is sometimes. What the heck, man? So I definitely had the right idea. It just had to come and screw me first. That was a little bit rude. Not gonna lie. What the heck, man? Let's wait for a little bit more of a confirmation now that we're not gonna just keep going all the way up. Moving on. Jetzt kann ich es out there. Wait, what? I don't even know. Only to trader. I was trying to be quick with it. I'm trying to do that whole quicker, more confident thing, but I guess days like this also got to be a little bit more aware. Watch this happen now, because now I'm like. Let's see. Now we wait for some more confirmation before trying to be a bit more bold. But at least I can say I've done it. I've got it out the way. And naturally this one looks like it's going to potentially go and be a winner. Steven? I mean, it kind of does. The result should never be in question. What's important is how you get them. Kidogo, hey Mirror, what's up? How's it going? Hello. Guys, it is so hot down here today. So Dylan, I'm using an eval account. Yeah. Bearish to the 4-hour fair value gap. Okay. Let's check this out. Kinda is a real slow grind down, isn't it? 15-minute. Seven levels, quite nice. Bit of an imbalance there, awesome. So I'm trying really hard to start taking note of all the imbalances. Okay, 1 hour. I come back down, hit the fair value gap, and then proceed to the buy side. Let's see. Whoa. This is a bit big. Okay, moving on. Naturally that one looks like it's headed towards a win. And naturally now my stupid little VWAP has gone and done its thing. However, that does make that trade I took even more valid. Just, it wasn't a win. Should have been a win. Stop loss maybe should have been a little bit bigger, but it is what it is. CMA shut down recently. Only professional traders, but only ones allowed to basically arm manipulation. It's cold up here, it's snowing. Steven, do you want to bring some of that back down here? I am dying. Absolutely dying. It is so hot. Oh, thanks, Jay. You're so sweet. The second trade you're watching is a goodie. I mean, I could... No. Yes. What the hell, man? So one I took because I thought it was a goodie was like, nope. The second one, I thought, okay, let's now properly wait for confirmation. Let's not just jump in like I did there. Would have been a win. That's fun. That's a little bit frustrating. But whatever. If they think they can't manipulate the price enough, they'll just shut down the servers for retail only. Stanley analyzed gold for you. I haven't even looked at gold, sorry. Hey Chuck, what's up? I just see and learn how I analyze. Flipper? Why am I Miss Rachel? Is this a thing? What is that? Hugh, how often am I on? I literally stream twice a day, every day. Except for the weekends, sorry. But yeah, London and New York session, I'm here. For the open, I'm here. I mean, that was just whatever. That was just whatever. What is my method to determine the overall market trend? I just go with trend. And maybe it's not the best way to do it, but you know, trend is friend. Last week gave us a foundation for shorts. Oh, thank you. Thank you. Get it? Thanks, Hugh. No, that was very lame. I'm so sorry. It's very early in the week. I've only had a few sips of coffee. So we go. Hey, somebody. I was still up. I remember you might be streaming. Thought I'd pop in and say, hey, Thomas, why are you still up, by the way? Maybe that's the better question. Are you good? Partying too hard? You youngster, you? I'm kind of jealous. Brazen? Brazen? That is amazing. That is really good. I'm going to use that. That was brilliant. I'm gonna tell, so we have a we have someone that comes here and always brings his best jokes. I'm gonna tell him he has competition now. I've learned to cope. We're in a good spot to just wait again. Yeah. I'm great, not trading though. Oh, why, Thomas? You taking a break for a little bit? JJ, Maya, can I tell you it's full port to pass your eval right now? Solly? Oh, by the way, I'm gonna have to post it. I may have found, so I kind of cheated. I use ChatGPT to try and come up with a cool tattoo, right? I need to now just book the appointment. I found someone in the area. They seem okay, so you can give it a try. But I'll post it on Discord, and then you guys can say yay or nay, and let me know what you think. What's cooking? Good looking. It's Delpa. How you doing? Hello from North Korea. Hi. But sorry, JJ, what I wanted to say was, I'm 27, yes. How old did you think I was? If you say like 40, I'm gonna cry a little bit, but that's fine. I know I'm tired. The weekends exhaust me. I know that sounds weird, but the weekends exhaust me. Like 2:30, I've got everything shut down. Just have some one piece on and just vibing before bed. Nice, Thomas. But Thomas, are you still gonna be trading this price action, or what's your plan? Are you gonna take a break until end of the year? I know some guy is. Anton, what's up? But JJ, anyways, what I wanted to say was, we can always give it a go the 12th. Yeah, because the eval can reset if we blow it. If it goes terribly wrong and it blows, it resets on the 13th, so it makes no difference. Oh, like 35? Yeah, that's because I'm exhausted. And the coffee has not kicked in at all. I'm waiting for the coffee to kick in. Believe me. Then I don't shut up. Hey Vernon, what's up? JJ? Sure, why not? We'll see how good you are. This feels like a bad idea, but it kind of sounds like fun, so we're gonna go with it. Okay, just took out some hectic liquidity down there. Why couldn't you have taken that out and then just done a little bit of retest? Honestly. Feels a little bit rude. This stupid view app drives me crazy every single day. Moving on. I really can't pass you equal today. What prop firm is this? This is top 1 futures. Moving on. I'm thinking about that. I'll probably still trade. If I wake up tomorrow, I'll trade. Otherwise, still. Oh, nice. Okay, Thomas. There we go. I'm also in 2 minds because this price action kind of sucks, but there are some opportunities. So, you know, do you... They are. Do you just sit here and wait and hope that something good maybe pops up? No, it's never bad to learn, right? If the risk make or break 400 just for 5 days until the 13th. I mean, Solly. Could. This is external sweep to external sweep. It did it like 5 times. So you think it's going to go back up now? Oh shoot, you're right. Took it out. Oh shoot. What the heck, man? 1, 2, 3, 4. I just saw that now. You're right, Thomas, it is doing external to external, but that being said, it was another reason why I thought this trade here that I took would be valid, because it had not taken out the external yet. It just got me. That was really frustrating. Again, I guess I had the correct idea. It just... oh well, it is what it is. And this is the level I was kind of hoping for it to take, that 777 level. Or around the 777 level. What is the matter? Okay. He's not loving things. Take buy side, take sell side, take buy side, take sell side. Basically, so once it's swept external, Literally could have had a buy limit here. Let's see if it continues up now though. Has it taken on the 4 hour? It has not. Has it tapped in? Let's check the 4 hour quickly. I don't think it's tapped into the 4 hour yet. Ugh. Oh my greatness. Sorry. There we go. Well, definitely hasn't filled on the 4 hour yet. Let's see. Maybe not. I look for setups and just wait for it. I mean, that makes sense. Let's have a look. Previous low would be my play. A limit sell or a stop sell? Learn to code. Sally, ask Rip first. No, oh no, 100%. But Rip's not here, Sally. No, I'm joking. Can you imagine Rip? Are you ready for this? Rip would rip me a new one. Eek! Okay, the coffee's kicking in. Oh, this hasn't quite done what I thought it would do. Okay. Let's see with regards to this trade. Still wouldn't love it, which kind of sucks because it looks like it's working out slowly in that favor. JJ, please don't take this the wrong way. Please don't take this the wrong way. I've just met you and I don't know anything about your trading style. Moving on. Don't go, thank you. Is DAX increasing, Hyla? Okay, market structure shows you need your stop a little higher. Yeah. Or I could have maybe gone for, you know, entry being where stop losses, and then it would have been an awesome freaking trade, but it is what it is. Hey David, welcome back. Seen some guy. Yeah, I don't know, David. I'm not really paying attention to that. To be fair. I'm just carrying on. Why did I see a random Christmas tree? Only true trader, I was trying to be festive the other day. Because, you know, Christmas is... Oh! Oh my gosh, I know what I'm gonna do. For this afternoon session, I need to just find them. I have little Santa earrings that light up. I'm gonna put those on. Because it's Christmas time now, right? You know, people get into the spirit of things. Okay. Nope. Here we go. It's Christmas. Yay! I'm not one that loves Christmas that much, but here we go. It's Christmas. Oh, this price action sucks so much. Moving on. I'll give you 2 winning setups in a row today, will only. JJ, go on then. This is like a bearish 6 tap. Interesting. Moving on. Hey Colin, how's it going? Welcome back. How are you? Yeah. Bearish break of structure. Tap back into range to provide liquidity. Price just ripped up to grab it before another leg down. Thomas. That's interesting. Is this your 6 tap model, basically? The breaker structure, tap back into range to provide liquidity, price ripped up to grab it before another leg down. Is that kind of what your model is? I know you always talk about it, but I think you and Geordie discussed it a bit more in depth. There are 100 people in here who think the exact same, but nobody knows if you're above or fifth phase. See the problem. Scalper, when am I dressing up like Santa? Good grief. I don't think I have anything. Again, I'm not really a Christmassy person. I don't even have a Christmas tree. I don't know. I don't know. I'm gonna have to even see if I have a Christmas hat. That sounds bad. Like I said, I got the earrings. I have a red dress. I could maybe look like Mrs. Claus. I'll shove a pillow. Only true trader, I agree with you. Some of the comments are brilliant, that they are almost too entertaining. New channel idea, Trading View artist. Colin? Awesome. Except, again, I'm not an artist. I am definitely the black sheep in my family. The rest of my family, well, I say that. The rest, like my sister, my dad, I didn't realize that my headband was just slowly popping forward. Moving on. My mom, my dad, and my sister are all artists. Like, I'll have to go and get one of the paintings that my dad has done. Awesome artist. Yeah, I'm not. A bit early for a tree, is it? I know some people literally put trees up after Halloween. I'm just saying. Hey King, short here 771. You saying short at 771? Okay. This now looks like it's starting to respect things a little bit better. Still not loving it. Yeah, I don't like the price action, which kind of sucks. Oh well. Oh, Maya Boom can join you as well. I don't think Boom will want to dress up, to be fair. Christmas isn't the same in the southern hemisphere. It's supposed to be snowing, not sunny and warm. Yep. Santa will come here and melt. Hey Josh, this is the Nasdaq futures, sorry. Do I trade New York? I do. Vehicle enthusiastic. Yep, I do. I trade both London and New York. So I trade live twice a day, every day, except for the weekends. We all need a little bit of a break. Five, 7, 2, 3. Oh, it's going down to 7. Where would your intro have been then, JJ? Discord might go to bed. Oh, thanks, Thomas. I'll go check it out now. That's fine. Market can take entry from there. What's my time zone? Well, I'm in South Africa. So, sugar honey iced tea. Let's see. I'm waiting to see where is this level. 747. Is it gonna tap into this imbalance? Or do we think it's gonna bounce off of the fair value gap now? Yeah. Travel to the universe? What's up? How's it going? Hey Carnage, are you from South Africa? Welcome, welcome. How are you? Oh, there's a lot of chaos going on today. Oh, if you say so. Travel to the universe. Have you? Are you a trader? JJ, I'm going to say this respectfully. Be nice to Solly, please. We are all nice here. And Solly's been a day one. I'm just putting it out there. We all allowed our opinions, but we say them nicely. Moving on. I would like to see a reversal or trade lower to the NWOG for the push higher. I did not mark out the NWOG, which is on me. I did, sorry, I lied. I said it was inside Bob's level. Do you see I have Bob level? I've got Bob level. Sorry. May or may not be overly excited about that. This is right by Bob level. I do like this level quite a bit. Oh my gosh, Rip is going to see this and have a heart attack. He's actually going to crucify me for my chart looking messy. But it is what it is. It is what it is. This is better. Travel to the universe. You say you're homeless now. How are you on? Anyways, moving on. I've got... Okay. Who is this? No idea. Only troop. No idea. Moving on. Thank you, Thomas. Enjoy your day, by the way. Well, evening. Method of cooking eggs. No idea. Become a trader only if you trade your heart. Evan, that was terrible. That'll ruin your trading psychology. Grow stock trying to prove yourself. Clearly, they don't care. And he's done. When I join the stream, I'm always getting blinded. Only true trader, be nice. Be nice. Honestly. Except this is making me nervous. But I had a goal that I wanted to go to, but maybe that's the problem with sometimes having bias. But leave it alone. Like I said, I'm trying to be more bold. If it doesn't work, it doesn't work, and it is what it is. I don't love that I'm going against the NWOG. Ah, the NWOG. Oh my goodness. VWAP. Taking this, hit this shelf. Oh, what a big sigh for such a little dog. He's not very little, but still. Hey Dom, how's it going? How are you? Oh, no, where's trading makes everything worse than Thanks, David. Apologize, I keep getting blinded in silence. Only true trader? Only true trader. I'm just saying, have you seen Thomas's charts? I know he's now gone to bed and he can't defend himself, but he knows the truth. Have you seen his charts? If you lose this trade, it's due to exhaustion. Hey, oh, you're still here. Yes. Okay, now I don't feel bad. You must be lying. That... It missed me by the freaking spread. Oh my goodness gracious me. What the heck, man? Well, that kind of sucks. Carnage, damn. Sorry. Ooh. Travel to the universe. I did. Did you read Carnage's message? Channel that Friday energy. Lots of feelings. I'm watching in Canada. Is that good news about silver? Hey Mark. Well, I'm on the Nasdaq futures. Yeah. That's frustrating that it missed me by... Well, that's gonna haunt my dreams a little bit. What the heck was that? Sorry, do you guys hear the kids screaming in the background? Or not really? Maya gonna riot today. I've had my left eye, can't see anything. Listen, yeah. Macy, and I'm proud. Oh, thank you, Thomas. See? Boom. I'm starting to agree about the exhaustion though. I think it should have tapped in and had quite a decent melt back down, and it has not had that. Which makes me not love this trade that much. I'm gonna keep it for now. And like I said, not loving that I'm going against. Let me check the 4-hour one last time. Okay, okay, before I blind people. There we go, you can still see where the entry is. Hasn't quite tapped into 50 either. How's it look on the 5-minute? Yeah, okay, 5 minutes not great. Although it still looks like it's potentially going down. Here we go. Here's the volatility. You must be joking. Oh no. Speaking of volatility. What time is it? Oh, it's 4. Oh, it's 4. Wants to take out the low. I need to sit on my hands. I need to sit on my hands. I need to sit on my hands. Do I use... Oh, sorry. I've been really bad with responding to you guys. My bad. Hey, Silver Bullet Trader. What's up? How you doing? What do you mean my chart is not visible on higher? What? Keep this. Dom, it's not frustrating. I'll find a better setup soon. Thank you. I appreciate that. These wicks aren't great. It was the perfect setup. I just maybe should have zoomed in a little bit and moved my entry a tiny bit lower, and then I would have been in on this. Okay. Oh, it's like... Muller, what's up? Right, hear me out. Right, a nice pre-Christmas gift. What's that? Only True Trader, what's a nice pre-Christmas gift? Now I'm scared. I feel like I've missed something. What would be a nice... Thomas? I don't even think one tick describes what that was. That was... This is making me nervous. I think we have reached exhaustion. Which means this could be the turning point, or it could be a fake out, which is fun. Which is fun. Reckless, are you on the vertical? I think you are. Go to the horizontal, you'll see more. 30. King, you think my stop loss will hit? There's another great setup right around the corner, so either way, you're good. Oh, thanks, Iron. A nice Christmas gift will be coming to see Solly, and do I want to know? That's there. I feel like I should cancel this, because if it breaks out, it's gonna break out properly. Now VWAP has changed slightly. 25800 then back down. I'm gonna listen, because all these wicks are not ideal. And this is not an ideal setup now. That it's hit and did not react how I wanted it to. If this now goes back down, I'm gonna call it early. I'm gonna say screw it. I'm gonna leave right here. Wednesday's FOMC, do I need to say more? No, okay. Continue if you have higher time from liquidity. Just to sell side if there's a maybe long entry with confirmation. Let's see if this does now go back down. The exhaustion and the wicks were not ideal, and it is slowly pushing up on ES. I do know my luck though. So watch this go and hit where my TP would have been. Oh, wait, never mind. Maybe not. I feel like there's a big battle going on between the buyers and the sellers right now, but the buyers are winning on ES. Which makes me believe they're eventually going to win. Yep. Here we go. Let's see. Oh, Iron! Thank you! Thanks for the dono. Shout out to Iron. Well, yeah. Sticker, donut, sticker, sticker. Hey! It's my first super on a live stream. That's so cool! Sorry. How about me? That is so cool. Oh, I can't even like it. That sucks. Well, I'm just gonna like that then. Sorry, now I'm happy. See, now we're winning no matter what. But I will still giggle if it does end up going back down. Here. Whoa. It's gone down quite a bit, actually. What the heck, man? Let's do a December full port. Only True Trader, you're such a bad influence, because my brain's going, you know what? Yeah, that sounds like fun. Let's do that. But it's like I said, on the, what? The 12th? Was it the 12th? Yeah. The 12th, I could maybe go a little bit more... I'm trying to think of a ladylike way of saying this. A little bit more cray-cray. Because then the eval reset on the 13th. We'll put the next trade YOLO. You guys are terrible influencers. Bet to the upside and get a 1.5. I know that pattern. Swing trading, JT. Hey, Ventura, how are you? David, that would be hilarious. I don't think that'll work though, but I appreciate the thought. Come back down after the hour. It's an up hourly candle right now. Oh, derp. Okay. I want to see what you're looking at, so let's go check out the hourly. I'm just gonna turn everything off. Is it derp? Am I saying it dopamine? Dopamine noise. Someone said 25800. You really think it's going all the way back up to 25800? That seems excessive, but I mean, let's see. Oh. Thank heavens I sometimes listen to myself. Sometimes being the keyword. What could... Okay, moving on. Yes, EFL reset day is cray day, especially if you're in drawdown. And the problem is I'm not in drawdown. Like, for once, I'm actually not in drawdown. Yep, there would have been... You know, that's why I'm in two minds. I haven't had to reset for like the past 2 months, which is huge for me. But on the other hand, you know, I sometimes feel like I just need a day where I just do dumb stuff to get it out my system. You know, relearn your lessons, if that makes sense. Does that make sense? But it's Rip. Oh, Rip is here to yell at me. Oh, damn. Hey, Rip. No, Rip, I took one trade because it looked really good. It literally just took me out before going back down. Oh my goodness. It's a child being like, I don't know, what on earth is going on? Anyways. Moving on. Yeah, you can see, literally just took me out and then went perfectly down. Oh well. We carry on. It was a teeny tiny range. I lost basically half of what I normally risk, so it doesn't actually make that much of a difference. Hey Wade! How are you? How's practice, Wade? Yes, when did practice start? How's practice going? Has the show happened? Now I feel bad. Wade, what's happening? The what prop firm am I using? I'm using Top One Futures. I don't think so. Dopamine, no, not yet, sorry. I am macho excellent. I'm glad, Ace Ventura. The iron sense has been made, cool. How was my trading week last week? Silver bullet, I actually ended last week's trading week in a little bit of the green. Not by much, I think it was up like $100, so I guess it was more of a break-even week last week. But green is green. So that's good, right? Mulla, like the fair value gap? Which fair value gap? Where are you looking at, Mulla? David, how exactly are you going to test that theory? I think that's the thing scaring me a little bit. How do you plan on testing this? Um... 25795. Yep. Well, mine's a little bit higher, but mine's weird. So you think it's gonna go all the way back up to VWAP and then go or bounce off of it? Iron? Nope, dopamine, my bad, sorry. Derp. I saw Iron's name afterwards. That is so cool, Iron. What the heck? One day, when I'm profitable, I'll make enough that I can now go on trips and visit people, and I think that will be so much fun. Okay, so that would have been a loss, so I'm glad I listened to myself. I did set it, but yeah, all the volume had died down. Okay. Nope. Sorry, I was gonna say something, but never mind. Not taken there. 5, I mean, here's a pretty good level with regards to liquidity. If it comes back down, I mean, 1, 2, 3, I guess. I don't know if it's gonna come this far down though. Also, can I just say, this range is itty bitty. Oh, I've missed a bunch. I'm so sorry. Yeah, show was yesterday. No more rehearsal, thankfully. The show was good. Thanks for remembering. How's the week been? Hey, Wade! That's amazing. Do you have, like, videos or you have to, like, share? Come on. How was it? Hey, Sir Bull. How you doing? Welcome back. How's the trading been going? Yeah, come up for some liquidity sweep, then back down. Dopamine, it makes sense. Scalper 1 million every year. Scalper 1 million what every year? What? 3 lots from 780 with TP at 795. House in Houston? What? I'm not using leverage. Everything looks so boring. At least for now, Southside has a bit more potential. But the question is, do I want to participate in that mess? Rip, the answer is Probably not. And yes, it is indeed boring, apart from this cute little Christmas tree. How did that get there? What? Please don't unsubscribe because I'm so lame. That would be very mean. Rip, can I just say you weren't here? And I still marked the levels. You were not here. Levels have still been marked. I'm just saying. Why is this starting to look like... No. I was gonna say this is starting to look like a good entry, but... I didn't like it for a setup, so... Even if it wins. Nope, that would have been a straight away stop loss. Damn. Cool. Cool. So, today, mess. Alright, I'm calling. Cheers, Thomas. Enjoy. I hope you sleep well. Serbil, great. That is amazing. Mega pending. And to make some dough after open ready. Some confidence. Queue to NQ. Yeah, Scalper. That would be the next step, right? It makes sense. That would be the next reasonable way to go, is to do that. Then it will be nice, 1 mil a year in trading. Scalper, the day that happens, you best believe I'm gonna go on a trip in my little rocket ship. Okay, moving on. So you're telling me you kind of consider them a part of your framework? Yes, Rip. I make a point of marking them out now. I'm being really good at that. With regards to the homework this weekend, no. Because if I'm being honest, I actually got a little bit sick. And I know that's because I napped. And then I woke up like dying from coughing. So, needless to say, I then rested, took a lot of, I don't want to say pills because that sounds terrible, antibiotics. There we go, to get myself sorted, and we are back. We're back in action, and we're ready to go. You know, being sick, David, you know, is no fun. I'm just gonna start blaming David and Boom Banana. They clearly made me sick somehow through the stream. They made me sick. It's their fault. I don't make the rules. With this. So I'm just checking something out quickly. I always find this super interesting. Okay, moving on. Oh, I'm so awesome. Oh, wow, thanks, David. Rude. That's fine. Making 1K a day is quite possible. I mean, dopamine, I know it seems wild. So this would have been the entry. The problem with what I did here was I used the incorrect range. And this would have been a really good entry. Well, stop loss. Would I have had everything I wanted though? 1, 2. Unfortunately, I would have only had 2 of my confluences that I would have wanted to see. I mean, the fact that I didn't take that external and it started to pull back could have actually been 3. Or internal liquidity, rather, sorry. Interesting. This range thing is a big thing, and this is... I sometimes mess up with that. I keep forgetting to double check the correct range that I use. I'm up in 1 minute. Who's in? Yep. Yes. It's not uptrend until we see a higher high. 50.752 794.50. Okay. Hey, lucky lefty, how are you? If you wait for a higher high, you're too late, I guess. Yep, but that's exactly why I said that technically the third confluence could have been the fact that I didn't take out this internal liquidity, so it was just a pullback before continuation higher to take out this internal liquidity. Except I do see quite a bit of resistance at the 790 area. So now took out the 50% there. Now we're going to test here. Oh wait, I should probably keep this one set up as well. Let's see if it hits TP. No, I did not enter. Oh, okay, TP is at the same level, so it makes no difference. Let's check. If it hits this TP, I know it would have hit the other one. Oh, that would have missed by a tick. Awesome. Another one. Cool. Wait, is the reaction of the full outfit after sweeping 15-minute swing from your entry? But that was a nice trade. If I got an entry. There we go, only true trader. Where would your TP have been though? There's always room to learn. Wow, there's a lot of resistance at this level. There's a lot of resistance there. What? Wait, oh, sorry. Sorry, Wade. Waiting for high high gives you confirmation. If you jump in for, you are basically guessing. Okay, Dom, I hear you, but does it not need some form of liquidity to move? So if it's going up, but it hasn't taken out any, oh my goodness. I've literally just been saying it. There we go. But it hasn't taken out any internal liquidity. But again, I'm still learning, so please correct me if I'm wrong. This is just kind of what I've picked up. Right? The market needs liquidity to move. So if it's climbing up, but no liquidity has been taken, or, you know, not any key liquidity has been taken, it's not going to want to continue higher to grab the liquidity. I guess this jump down takes liquidity at the bottom, but you know, I'm kind of curious with regards to that now. Come a higher volume will take it higher. Wouldn't be surprised if this hits 25800, but I'm holding out TP. Okay, damn, dopamine, that would be quite cool. Zippo, what's up? Big Ben. Brown. Where's Dr. Fact? I feel like I missed something. Living my dream. 2 million subs on a random fact channel. What? That's quite cool, Dr. Fact. Do you want to hit us with a random fact? I want to see if I can clap back with one as well. Dr. Fact, it's fine. Yep. ICT. Oh, yeah. Like, Listen here, David. Maya's still learning. She's getting there slowly. Thanks, David. You just placed an order bullish. Okay, Iron, what was your indication, if you will, that this was good? That this was like a good to go. Turn of the wheel, Velma. See, you're gonna have to argue with David about that because David thinks I'm more like Daphne than Velma. It's just retracement, people, no real fair value gap forming here. Mullah, are you still in a short? Give me time to win back your love again. I feel like I'm missing a lot right now. But anyways. Was it Titanic? I'm going so. Max Meyer, that interesting. Sorry about that. I slipped. Moving on. It's an uptrend, bullish overall market trend. Okay, Iron. So you're waiting for the retracement to break up. So wouldn't have tagged me in. Would have missed me by a tick. But it went up. Wait, whoop whoops are in order. You got. Was your your place? Your TP hit? Dopamine? Yes? Whoop whoop? We happy? We winning? We in the green? Well done. Dr. Fact, you're not famous, just hustling. And we all gotta respect the hustle, right? Like I said though, please bring a fact. I'm kind of curious to see if is it just random facts? Because I know a bunch of weird random facts that make zero difference in my life, but I still know them and I still bore people with them all the time. Like, what's a baby bunny called? Just saying. Jimmy, let's see those feet. No thanks. They act like schoolgirls when they see someone famous. Dopamine? Whoop whoop. Well done. That was amazing, and that was an awesome trade, by the way. Here we go, and you called the 2800, the 800 level. There we go. English nailed it. Found it. Cool. The iron came down but didn't close below structure. Valid. You got 2 mil. You're famous. Every day I'm hustling. Thanks, Rip. Now that's gonna be stuck in my head for the rest of the day. Thanks for that. I'm gonna be chilling on my horse, singing that song in my head, and that's going to annoy the living daylights out of me. Rip, this is not typical behavior for this, is it? No. Move Christmas tree. You can go chill there, please. Thank you. Hi, live. Why are we going up? Guys, you scared Dr. Fact away. And it wasn't me this time. Can I just say, no fangirling from me. Putting it out there. Laura, sell Nasdaq? No. I think this was just a bit of a retest or a retracement, whatever you want to call it. And we're going to continue to the buy side. But wait, where's Asia low? Actually, here's bottom level. There's Asia low. We could still be going lower. Here's Asia high. Oh, this price action just sucks, man. Iron, always follow your tuition. Iron, you know what? You're right. Oh, Dopamine. Thanks, guys. You guys are just getting everything stuck in my head, and that's really annoying. I don't know who Dr. Fact. Only True Trader, neither do I. Moving on. What do you mean, miss, about typical behavior? Between the 3 and the 4 a.m. open and closing price, your let me think about this. I gotta get this right now. You're gonna yell at me. It's going against the, what is the word? The English isn't Englishing. The percentage? No. I want to say against the trend, but that's not correct either. Against the odds. Against all odds. Now that's going to be stuck in my head as well. Oh, guys. And it's fine. Thanks. I'm low-key proud I didn't fangirl. Low-key. Moving on. I was going to, and then I was like, no. Just be chill. Just be calm. Just be calm. And he didn't come and give us any facts. What the heck, man? I just wanted one fact to see if I knew it. That was it. Where were the facts? I'm kind of upset. Do you guys know what a baby bunny is called? Putting 2 lots on something. Let's stop. You thinking it's gonna sell now, dopamine? Probability side, yeah. We all know you like a bit of toxicity. You are Sagittarius. Wow. Wow, Rip, that was unnecessary. That was just mean. I feel personally attacked. I think you need to have a 1-minute timeout for that. Just saying, I had to give myself a timeout that one day because I was mean to you. I feel like you need to go on a 1-minute timeout just for just saying that. That was a personal attack. I'm so sorry, guys, for being extra weird. I apologize. MG5GM, what up? How you doing? 25828. You think that's where it's going? And then dump it. Wait, Darth, why have you stopped buying silver? Hey, Dr. Fact, thank heavens! Yes! Okay, fine. Do you know this one? What is... Oh, shoot. Now I have to remember. A group of giraffe called. Sorry. I'm quizzing you for no reason, but... No, wait, I got one. I have got one. I am South African, so... How many official languages are there in South Africa? I feel like this is a goodie. Just for you, because I want to see if you know. But yes, a baby bunny is called a kitten. I thought I may have gotten you with that. I need to fact check something with regards to a snail. Maybe I can ask you guys. Sorry, it has absolutely nothing to do with trading, but we're now on random facts, so that's where my head's at, and I can't do anything while we're being terrible. Rip, is this you? Did you send a message? Point is, the fact check I wanted to find out, is it true that a snail has 1 foot? Is that a thing? I feel like I read that somewhere, that a snail has 1 foot. Sorry, obviously I'm going to be a little bit curious about snails. I mean, I literally got one tattooed, but... I know that's super random. Oh, by the way, for anyone that's new, if you guys want to join the community, you are more than welcome to. We are an amazing community, just saying. Well, most of the time. We try to be. Just a bunch of amazing, supportive people. I do want to say 15, but I know there's not. Actually, there's less than 15. Actually, less than 15. It's okay. I'm gonna have to double check this one. I thought it was 11, but I think it's 12 because sign language is one of the languages. But yeah, it's 12. Your 32 languages is hectic. Don't mean that's kangaroos and wallabies. I have about as many feet as ducks have teeth. Connor, do I want to? I don't think I want to know. Thanks, David. Oh, dopamine, no! What happened? How did you miss your entry? I'm sorry, was I distracting you? I'm so sorry. Hello for everybody. Hey, IMN. So again, I want to say I was looking at this, but let's see if this would have worked out. Today's not a great day with regards to my setup, unfortunately. It doesn't do well with this type of price action, where it's a little bit more... Where's Celestial? He's gonna mock me for saying wiki wiki. But when there's a little bit more wicks going on, it doesn't always tend to go in my favor. You know, may the odds be ever in your favor and all that whatnot. I mean, this is on the 800 level. Let's see if this goes back up. Coming to pull the highs. Where'd Rip go? Oh, nope, there's Rip. See, Dr. Fact? See, now I just gave you another fun fact. You are welcome. I'm just messing with you. Damn, David! This is the trading room of legends. Exactly, Ian. Can I just say, I love all of you guys. You guys are amazing. And you teach me so much. I need to now just... It's December though, guys. I think I need to focus. It's December, which means the price action is disgusting. For now, I don't know. I think I'm being optimistic that maybe things will change and it's going to get a little bit better. I mean, this is giving me absolutely zero hope of that right now, but it is what it is. Abraham, what's up? I wanted to know if I know order flow. Dr. Fact, I know of it. I haven't looked in depth into it, which I know is a bit of a problem. I need to have a look at that. A lot of people use order flow, and I know it works really, really well for them. I actually theoretically have a super simple strategy. Like I said, it has a 64% win rate, which is not bad. Which, I mean, it's really not bad, and it's a 1 to 2 hour strategy. Look at it now go. It would have literally looked like this. Let's see if this would have been a hit or a miss, but oh. What time is it? We're being a little bit volatile right now. 40. No? Has nothing to do with that 10-minute. Sorry. Keeping it super simple, where I was going with that is because I overcomplicated it. Then I tried where I just marketed in. That was a disaster. That did not go well. Wow, this... Anyways, moving on. So I took it back a few steps, and this is literally orchid auction theory. I'm not saying it's the best strategy, but it's a strategy that's working for now. But I do need to brush up with regards to order flow And the times, Rip is teaching me the times. Rip and Geordie. And I'm learning about the first presented fair value gap. Super interesting. The imbalances as well. To be fair, the one imbalance earlier did not work in my favor at all. That was really rude. But it's like Rip said, can't be too fixated on them. Some are just amazing and they work beautifully, and others, meh, not so much. But I guess it's a bit like fair value gaps. Some fair value gaps are respected solidly, and others just not at all. Sorry, that was a very roundabout way of getting to any point. MG5 Gem, who is this order flow? Oh, we're going down already. The sellers now are gaining control. It kind of looks like it. Did you know a day on Venus is longer than a year on Venus? What? Rip, are you serious? How long is a day then? Frank, the best strategy is one that talks to you. Frank, right? Like I said, I had the correct idea here. Literally, you can see it. It took me out. My risk wasn't it's literally half the amount I normally risk anyway, so it is what it is. And, you know, losses are part of the game, so I can't be upset about it. But it's nice to know I had the correct idea of which direction we were headed. And let's check out this now. Erase. So, Sun, are you waking? Hello, you trading against me today? Who's liquidity? House? Well, House, I'm not in a trade, so it's fine. So I would probably end up, yep. Looks like I would have been your liquidity house, so it's fine. Yep, here we go. Interesting. Wait, then I want to quickly see. I want to see something. So that would have been a loss. But I'm glad I listened to myself. I need to at least have 3 good confluences when it comes to taking my setup, and there was not. And like I said, I don't like these wicks, so I stayed out of it. I'm getting better at staying out of the price action that doesn't work for my strategy. Not perfect at it yet, but I'm getting better. I have not backtested this at all. I'm kind of doing this out of curiosity. I'm gonna have to check some different things. This is curiosity getting the best of me, so don't mind me. I'm using the 3 AM open and the 4 AM close for my range, and I kind of want to see what happens. Why would I look at longs? Just asking, what does your framework say? Well, Rip, on the higher time frame, where was it? Let me do this so you don't yell at me. There we go. It hit VWAP and bounced into the 50% of this fair value gap. I was looking for shorts, as you saw earlier, because I really liked this imbalance, and there's NWOG down there, but I also remember that Tuesdays tends to be the day that it wants to go down to NWOG. So it's why I didn't place any of the buys, because my bias is actually for bearish today. But it's why I did not place any of the buys. For that reason, that my bias is actually more on the bearish side. Sorry, I know that probably did not make a lot of people happy, but it is what it is. Interesting. Look at this go. It takes Venus 243 Earth days to rotate once. Damn, Merc, that's super interesting. Hey, look at that. So apparently, Dr. Fact, if you want some random facts, this is the place to come. Ah, that's hilarious. Saying your stop is my take profit actually works, Frank. You know what? Yeah, when you're right, you're right. I'm doing it every time I enter a trade, right? Only enter in stock losses and TP in stock losses of losers. In what? MG5G? Is it working for you? What was the stat of that low to be taken? Isn't it supposed to be like 70%? But I thought that was purely if it closed below. Hey! Hey! Yeah, the stat was around 70%. But it closed above. Wait, but that's why. It closed above without taking out the low. Which is also actually why I was waiting for shorts. Again, which is why I was super nervous about taking longs. See, I do listen. I'm pretty sure it was 70%. I mean... dumb. That's interesting. That's why I'm here looking at it. Look how to buy side liquidity. I said, oh well, going down already, and it ran to the sell side. So essentially, you guys went, okay, it took out internal liquidity, hit VWAP, now we're going to go down. Is that what you were looking for? The internal liquidity to be taken before potentially going down? It's still... kind of made a double tap bottom, go fly. Right, there you go. Wait, I got it right? Was that the correct percentage and everything? Did I do it? Oh my god, I did it. Finally, I did it. Oh my gosh. How wild. Okay, nice. Now we have a double bottom where people go long and later I will short in their stops. Price runs internal liquidity to external. MG5GM, you say that. Earlier it was doing external to external. Literally Thomas hopped on and said, and I was like, no ways. And then I realized he was correct. Check here. Yeah, from here. External. Yes, that's not really external, is it? But on a deeper level, it just kept taking external, 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 external. And now it's only actually continuing to go where we want it to go. Okie dokie. Now, I hate this little VWAP so much. Stop it. Dr. Fat, are you still here? Do you want to know something concerning about this world? Go on, Ethan. I'm a little bit nervous, but go on. This trading, I'm having so much fun. Nice, Muller. Every one of your 100k challenge. Damn, Frank! Whoop whoop, that's amazing! Nice! Dr. Fact, would it be rude if I asked for, like, your opinion on some things? Like, would you be opposed to that? You can say no, and that I'm being weird or creepy. I'm just asking. Why so many traders? I've been trading for almost 15 years and do not sit around looking for sniper entry. Trading with managers. It works. North Star? Sorry, what are you asking? Are you asking why so many trades, or... I'm assuming you are then a swing trader, correct? It depends. I mean, Dr. Fact, that's valid. What are your terms? It's not much, but it's honest work. Dopamine. Real trading is actually boring. North Star. Yeah, which is why I've placed one trade today. The rest of the day I've kind of been sitting around. And it's actually why I started this channel. In all honesty, obviously to get people to hop on and help and hear the different opinions and see different people's strategies, but also, you know, trading can be quite, I want to say, lonely. It can be lonely, especially if no one else in your life trades. Then no one quite understands you. I was having a conversation with one of my friends the other day, not a trader, and I wanted to bring up trading metaphors, and oh my gosh, they just looked at me like I was so weird. It had to do with the ocean again. Trading and the ocean are actually really similar. I saw that the other day. Sorry, is this a massive imbalance or am I missing? Whoa. Is anyone else on ES? Is this correct? Has my chart just had a mini meltdown? Do you guys see this? That can't be correct. 42, 43. I mean, there's no time missing. That's wild. If that is correct, then there's a huge imbalance. Did my chart glitch out? Is anyone on ES right now? Creepy is cool at 3:50 a.m. Frank? Wow. Void? Hey, just wondering if I could go through that last trade again. Which one? Void? Hey, what's up? Oh, sorry, MG5GM. What did you say? Sorry. I'm on gold and it's on up. What's the most you lost in a month? I mean, well, guess I lost an eval account. I'm on the eval, so what's that, like 3? No, 2? Dopamine. I'm on the 1 minute chart. Frank, refresh. I'm a little bit. More as your ES is stuck. Oh damn. Okay. So maybe it's just having a moment. Well, is it true that KZN was under heavy storm? Not really. I mean, listen, the weather's been shocking. Like, it's so hot now, but I hear wind coming, so, yeah. That gap happens sometimes, don't fret. And so efficiently deliver. Why is it boring? Don't you want it to be doing this stuff? Okay, give me 2 seconds. I'll be right back. 2 seconds. Okay. I see I've missed absolutely nothing. That being said, this inefficiency isn't too much. That was taken, which means this range was the next valid range. Had one. 2. Okay. I only had 2 confluences for this trade, and it's going against my VWAP, except I don't trust my VWAP, so doesn't help. Hey Jordy, what's up? How you doing? Will, not meaning, isn't this just gambling really? No, not really. Don't trade for the highs, trade for consistent profits. David James, ain't that just the truth? Trading doesn't give you free alcohol, therefore trading's not dopamine? Can I steal that? Because that is freaking amazing. I'm gonna start saying that to people. Oh, House, you wanna ask about my tat? Sure, what's up? What about my tat? Hey Lurk, how you doing? What temper? It's probably like 20, no, I should actually check. 20 something degrees here today, but the humidity is ridiculous. Yeah, it's so humid here today. The other day, I have a video, my horse was standing there sweating. It was so hot, my horse was just standing there sweating. We both 4 minutes to deliver that low. If it doesn't happen, that's an information. Okay, I need to remember that. It has to take out the low within the hour. I need to remember that one. I'm getting there slowly. One step at a time, Rip. Dr. Fax, are you still there? I'm waiting on your terms and conditions for asking questions. Like I said, I don't want to be weird, so I'm making, gotta ask. Well, no, there's none. Ah! Okay, well... Obviously, I don't want to be bothering you while I'm on live. If you feel comfortable enough, if you wouldn't mind sending me an email. But again, only if you feel comfortable enough. Otherwise, I will respectfully leave you alone. Yeah, where the site says 17 here, but no. I need a sweater with windows open. Yeah, high life, it's not white right here. Jordy, what's the temperature like in Joburg? Here we go. Let's see, let's see. We got a minute to go. So if it doesn't take it, it's saying that buyers are in control? Or was that, yeah, kind of the information that the buyers want to take control? Rip? On my shoulder, any story to that tattoo? Oh, house. Oh, so my tattoo on my shoulder, sorry. It is it's a snail. Actually. Snail with a mushroom, so it's to do with my mother. She moved to Uruguay and literally started writing articles about mushrooms. Very random. They're living their best little hippie life up there right now. And with regards to the snails, yeah, that's a bit more of a longer story, but snail on the mushroom, and then there's peach blossoms around, so it's not... Yes, it is, it's peach blossoms, so it's not those... the cherry blossoms, it's peach blossoms, and that's just to do with where I was growing up. Where I grew up, literally every spring, I had a peach tree right outside my bedroom, and I would wake up and they were there, so it's just a nice little blast of the past, if you will. It kind of just tells a story. My mother was hippie. No, she now is, though. Literally. They living their best lives in Uruguay. Enwag is loaded with invitations. It's hot, like 24 degrees. Yeah, Geordie, it's not quite right here. Just saying. From Italy, I want somebody else for opinion. And should you focus on just one type of market or more? The Legend of Piva. Interesting. Well, welcome, welcome. I'm from South Africa. I think it could be a good job, but a lot of time and effort has to go into it for it to become one. So if you're not willing to put time and effort into it, it's not going to ever be one. And there's going to be a lot of disappointments along the way. I guess like any job, right? It doesn't just fall into your lap and it's perfect every single day. And should you focus on just one type of market or more? So for me, again, this is just in my opinion. I started with the Nasdaq futures and I said I wanted to get good at one asset before jumping around. That's just in my opinion. I wanted to get good at one thing before jumping and chopping and changing. Again, that's just me. I don't know. Some people might have different opinions. Maybe, you know, explore around, see what works best for you. Intense. I want that like 5 years from now. Honestly, high life. They really are living their best life. Not really. It means price is not acting as you would expect. Oh, okay. So just then don't go with the percentages? Or do you then want to rather sit out because it's not doing what you expect it to do? Oh, I should probably be going actually. Sorry. Asia market just closed. London might chop and trend now and make room for a double minute left. What do you mean Asia just closed? Did Asia only close now? When did Asia close? I thought Asia closed long ago. Not that deep. You measure and you see it 10 meters. Means you can actually drown if not careful. That's valid. The Legend of Piva, you are welcome. Sorry, again, all of that is obviously just my opinion. Yeah. And I'm still new. I'm not profitable yet. I'm not here to say I am and that I'm doing amazing and you should follow what I do. I'm still learning. Shorty, let me try a shorty short. Hey, Ashanti, what's up? I mean, does your girlfriend even want to learn how to trade? You know, I think that's the next question. If she doesn't want to learn how to trade. Oh, thank you! Thanks for sharing that. How long have I been doing it for? I've only been trading since April. Hey, okay. So it would have been a win. Okay. So the 2 trades I actually set. Luckily the one I cancelled because I didn't like that it looked like we had lost. Well, we were in the exhaustion phase, if you will. Moving on. The other one was a loss, literally just ticked out. Oh well. That's a bit of a bummer. Did bounce off, but ultimately broke through. Here's VWAP. There's a bob level. Sorry, rip. I'm waiting to see what happens. Well, no, I'm saying... I lie. I need to go to the horses before I run out of time. But I will be back for the New York session. Mega guitar mic. Am I South African? I am. If it takes Friday's high, it'll go for all-time high. Mula, you really think so? Frank, April only, so you haven't gone through the crying in your pillow stage yet. Respectfully disagree. Maybe not crying into my pillow, but definitely screaming into my pillow. Does that count? I feel like that counts. Oh, okay, I'm just checking, because I know you don't like the levels that much. So, yeah. I'm just saying. Okay, before I go. Sorry, just doing this quick sticks. Okay, before I go, because I do have to go. Aw, Maureen, you're so sweet, thank you. Ashanti, so, Rip, you did not seem impressed with the bob levels on Friday. Just saying, you did not seem impressed with the bob levels. I'm gonna call it there for today, guys. But wait. I have no problem with bob levels. Well, I have no problem with any method. If it makes you money, I'm fine with that. Oh, thank you. Oh, sorry. Hey, Mike G, I'm about to hop off. But I will be back for the New York session. So if you guys are around for New York session, I will be back. I've actually been talking your ear off quite a bit. I'm not even impressed with mine. Why? Rip, why aren't you impressed with yours? Yours is pretty solid. I mean, you barely ever have losing days. It's ridiculous. I'm glad you do have some though, else I would think you were AI. Okay. I'm getting distracted again. I'm gonna call it. You guys are distracting me. I will be back for the New York session. Please don't forget to like the stream, right? Let's grow this amazing community. I have shared the Discord link in the chats if you guys want to join the awesome community. Behave or you get blocked. Sweet and simple. But I love you guys madly. Thank you for joining. If you want to show some extra love and support, you can use my code. It's TeachMaya with any of the prop firms in my description below. Yeah, you get then awesome discounts. Hey, nice iron. Okay, but I love you guys madly. I'll be back for New York Open. Yes? Yes. Let's do this. I love you guys and I'll see you. Are you coming to say hi? Okay, Harry says hi. Okay, I love you guys and I'll see you later.